Today we are going to be doing a quick review of the updated Lineage Collections website to make sure that you understand where all of the features and tools are. So Lineage Collections, the parent company, you've got your sub-brands, Finn & Louise, Seawinds, Lux Lighting. As I hover over these, you can see the collections, which are clickable in alphabetical order. So here's all the collections for Seawinds. If you aren't interested in shopping necessarily by brand, but you want to shop by category, come over here to the shop function. This is where you can shop all coffee tables regardless of brand, all beds regardless of brand. The Lineage Hospitality tab will pop open a new window. It'll take you to our catalog page for the hospitality division. We are working on building out a web page for this, but in the meantime, this is great information. You can see previous projects we've worked on. We do a lot of custom work, HPL tops, edge protectors, wall mount headboard. So if you're working with somebody, working with a client that does some hospitality or some projects, this is a great way to see some of our capabilities. The dealer trade login up top, this is going to take you to AMP tab. If you do not have access to this and you don't have a login, please reach out to your CSR or your sales rep and we will get you set up. This is a very helpful tool. It's got a shopping cart feature with your price list, allows you to build out orders, build out mock orders, to be able to price out special ordered goods as well. It has live inventory and you can review open orders, previous invoices, a lot of good information in this. If you do not have access, please let us know. We'd love to get you set up. There used to be a check inventory button in the header. We have not gotten rid of that, I promise. If you scroll down under dealer resources, you will see check inventory. Let's click that. If it's in stock, it'll tell you. If it's not in stock, it'll give you the exact date that we are projecting that it'll be available. And this runs very accurate. We update it every 24 hours. Also under dealer resources is a new tool, the showroom tour. I love this tool. This takes you right to our showroom in High Point Market and you can walk around. So it's 2 floors. And you're going to walk around with these little circles on the floor. So let's move around a little bit. I can move here. If I want to learn a little bit more information about this product, I can click this product circle, the blue and white circle. It'll give me some summary information, SKU number, DIMS. If I want more information, it'll take me to the website. So the showroom tour allows you to see our newest introductions that you might not have seen yet. And it also, for something that hasn't hit your floors yet, maybe you've pre-ordered Manhattan Valley and you're trying to pre-sell it to your consumers. This is a great tool to show them, hey, this is what it looks like assembled. You know, you can get a good idea of what it's going to look like against a white wall and see the entire collection together. So again, you walk around by clicking these circles on the floor. Here's Rio Vista. And if you want to go to the second floor, which of course I would highly encourage you to do, you can try to walk up the stairs. The easiest way to do it is come to this floor selector, select floor 2, and here we are. Now we're looking at Miramar Dining, which is a brand new introduction hitting September, and Miramar Bedroom, which was a new introduction from Fall Market and is in stock now. So that's the showroom tour. Hope you guys like that feature. I've really enjoyed using it. That's all I've got on the website for now. There's some other tools that we did not go over. We will be adding a content library for you, social media assets, Assillos, lifestyle videos. So that's coming soon. We're always adding to this. So please keep an eye on the website. If you have questions, feel free to reach out. We'd be happy to work with you.